Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in Diamante Sud today, which is the south part of the beautiful town of Diamante. And we're scouting properties for clients because they let us know what they want and we're boots on the ground, which we love doing. We're going to show you this one here. This one is in Villaggio Nettuno in South Diamante. It looks to be really nice. I think there's spectacular views. Let's go take a look. Okay, we're going in. Okay, we just came in the front door and it comes into this big, beautiful kitchen soggiorno area, super open and super light and bright, and it has a gorgeous balcony. Now this kitchen is really quite large. There's a lot of cabinets and things like that, so you're really lacking for nothing here. And you've got a gorgeous area for your big dining room table for all your guests and whatnot. And let's take a look at that terrace. Okay, we are out here on this beautiful wraparound balcony. It's actually quite a large terrace. And what I love about it is right in front of you, the sea just stretches out to eternity. Over to my left and your right, there's a beautiful ruin right there, which I'm kind of intrigued by. I'd like to go poke around in that, maybe. We'll see. But you also get a gorgeous view of the mountains from here. This is Diamante and Belvedere Marittimo at its best. You can see all of the things that people really come here to experience. And as you can see, this is a beautiful community just up the hill from the SS-18, which is the main drag that takes you all the way down to Reggio. It's a gated community, so it's secure. But again, you feel like you're up above the fray. You're not down in the tourist areas, and you have peace and tranquility here. It's a really nice feel. I just love it. We just came into the hallway from the kitchen area, and you have a beautiful bathroom in here. I want to show you some of the features. Here you have a lovely vanity, which is really, really pretty. It looks a little bit traditional, but nice and new, super sweet, and the tile work is beautiful in here. Also, you have room for a washer, and that's a big deal. Okay, and here's the master bedroom. As you can see, it's really big. There's a lot of big furniture in here, including a huge armadio, which is very pretty. I actually really like this armadio. Super simple, dark wood, super classic, really, really nice. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out is the windows here are relatively new. You don't have to replace them, and you don't have to replace these shutters, and they are locking shutters. Unfortunately, I can't open them, so you'll have to peek out through the slats to see the view from behind, which is a gorgeous view of the mountains. When you wake up and you see those mountains outside, you're going to be so happy you're here. Okay, we're in the second bedroom right now, and it's good size, and it opens out onto the back just like the master did. Now, one thing I want to point out, I see three really new looking AC and heat splits, and they're Panasonic. Those are kind of the higher end models. So you're not going to have to worry about putting in your splits, and that's going to save you at least 3,000 euros, probably a little bit more, and the hassle and the dirt and everything for having installed them. Everything's ready to go here. And you can move right in, enjoy the beautiful Italian hillside. You're close to all the shops and services. You're close to Diamante, you're close to Belvedere Marittimo, and you're right on the most beautiful coast in the world.